by its noise, footsteps on the stairs, slammed doors, and the constant rhythm of raising children. Then the house settles into an echoing silence. When you spend 30 years as a provider and a protector, your identity becomes woven into being needed. Stepping away from that role leaves a void, as the people who once relied on you for survival begin to navigate the world on their own. When the phone stops ringing, the natural instinct is to push back against the quiet. You reach out more often, checking in and reminding them of the time that has passed since your last visit. These reminders can slowly shift into a reliance on guilt. You highlight your own loneliness, hoping it will prompt them to prioritize the relationship. This reaction is born from love, yet it creates the very distance you fear. By leaning in with more intensity, you inadvertently make the relationship feel like a burden they need to escape. This behavioral cycle begins at the top with parental pressure. When adult children feel the weight of expectations they cannot meet, they retreat to protect their emotional energy, causing the gap between you to widen. Seeing them pull away, a parent often interprets the silence as rejection. This fear triggers an even stronger impulse to apply pressure, completing a cycle that compounds with every interaction. This is the core paradox. A parent's attempt to express love is received by the child as a demand for attention that they don't have the capacity to give. Breaking this cycle requires moving away from the strategy of pressure. It demands a new way of relating that respects their independence. To understand the distance, we have to look at the environment the adult child lives in every day. Modern adulthood moves at a punishing speed. They are balancing the demands of their careers, the stress of modern finances, and the exhaustion of raising their own children. Their bandwidth is often fully consumed by these immediate priorities. It is easy to view a lack of communication as a lack of affection. In most cases, however, the reduced contact is a symptom of total exhaustion rather than a loss of love. Their silence is rarely a calculated choice to hurt you. It is usually the result of them keeping their own lives on track. Closing the gap begins with replacing judgment with empathy. Understanding the weight they carry allows you to stop seeing their absence as a personal rejection. People are drawn toward spaces where they feel safe and accepted, and they naturally avoid environments that feel like a source of obligation. If a visit or a phone call feels like an audition, where they are judged on their choices or guilted for their busy schedules, the interaction becomes an item on a to-do list rather than a source of joy. This diagram shows the shift required. The old relationship operated on a childhood system of hierarchy and dependence. A healthy adult relationship requires an updated system based on mutual respect between two equals. Connection flourishes when it is a choice. By removing the weight of parental pressure, you create the emotional safety necessary for them to want to come back. Practical communication starts with listening more than you speak. Instead of offering unsolicited advice, try asking curious questions about their world and their perspective. Focus on the quality of your time together, rather than how often it happens. A single, lighthearted 10-minute conversation is more valuable than an hour spent navigating tension and expectations. Within these interactions, forgiveness serves as a tool for your own well-being. It is the choice to protect today's peace from the influence of yesterday's resentment. Waiting for an apology that may never arrive keeps your emotional state dependent on someone else's actions. This dependency takes a measurable toll on your health and your ability to find joy in the present. By taking ownership of your own healing, you decouple your sense of worth from your child's validation. This internal shift allows you to find stability regardless of their choices. The end of the caretaking era represents a transition into personal freedom. This is the time to build a daily rhythm focused on your own growth through new hobbies, community service, or physical health. You are now the creator of your own schedule. There is a counterintuitive reality to these relationships. The most effective way to draw your children closer is to build a vibrant life that does not revolve around them. Adult children are attracted to parents who are thriving. They are much more likely to visit a life that is full of energy than one that feels like a responsibility they must manage. Your best years begin when you stop waiting for permission to live. To begin the next chapter of your journey,
Download the complete life guide after 50 and join our community on WhatsApp.